On this video, I'm actually going to spray paint the whole thing. When I first started doing this project, I didn't know where I was going to do. And I did the whole body work. I did everything I could. I did it from A to Z. I put them out here because I'm getting ready to wash these things. I sanded with 220 all of the pieces, the skirts. These things are ready for primer. Anyways, it's time to wash these things. Did one thing and then another. It's pretty much experimental at one point. This is the moment we've been waiting for a long time. I got all the parts, they're prepped, ready to be painted. I did find a tiny little speck of a hole that we can patch up, or maybe the primer will fill it, who knows. I didn't have the knowledge or the skill to do it. I've learned from different people. Everything that I did was wrong, but I learned from that. You know? All I know, all that matters right now is that these things have been prepped, ready to be painted. All of these ready to go. I'm excited. I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. I didn't have any experience when I first started this. I just went for it. These things have taken me quite a bit to prepare. By the way, I did added these little tabs. And I didn't put it on the video on how to do this because, well, it's the same thing. Every step is the same thing. Just like when I did these. Remember those? Okay. These tabs are for the grill. Right now there was nothing to grab on, so I had to make these just like the original. Okay, that's what those things are for, by the way. And a lot of people ask me, how did you get started? I made mistakes. I've done so much research. I've watched so many things, and then I want to transfer those mistakes over to a video where people can watch them and realize, oh, you know what? I can learn from that mistake. That way I don't have to duplicate what he just did. Let me show you what I'm going to use for priming. I'm going to use the Eurochem priming system. Got your reducer right there, activator right there, and you got your primer right here. Anyways, I got this at the Harbor Freight. No, sorry. I got this at TCP or TGP, TGC. I forgot, one of those. Anyway. Shit, this thing doesn't tell you how many parts. Son of a bitch. Anyways, I'll figure that one out. I made mistakes. No big deal, I'll probably eyeball it anyway, who cares. Anyways, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it.